Hey Sam fam, welcome back to another Fashion Friday. If you are new here, this is Sam and I create videos on almost everything. First of all, apologies that I didn't upload DIY video this week as I had to DIY a lot of things for kitchen makeover. So that will be up on another Tuesday, that is on 19th of March. So make sure to subscribe to stay in loop for upcoming kitchen makeover. Coming back to today's video, Holi means ethnic outfits. Ethnic white outfits? Perfect. Most of the people, including me, prefer wearing white outfits on Holi because it blends all the colors so beautifully and also keeps us cool in hot weather. Since Holi is just around the corner, there is no better time to start thinking about the fresh new ways to style white kurta. I have also styled the jewelry that I DIY'd in my last video. Check the link in the description box and know how I made these. If you like this video so far, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to stay in loop. Let's begin, shall we?
This is the most go-to look when you look up to white kurta styles. I wanted to keep it extremely easygoing, so I picked my white leggings, but to give it a twist, I tied a belt around my waist and tucked this multicolored chiffon chunni into it. Then I picked this black and golden jhumkis, this multicolored kangan and my DIY ring. Check the link in the description to know how I made this, and beautiful black jutis. You can pair heavy dupatta with this plain look and you are ready for Holika Dahan. This is one of my favorite looks from today. Palazzos are extremely in trend since long time. Also, they are pretty comfortable garment. I wore this flary Georged palazzo and picked my age-old maroon bandhej chunri from my mom's wardrobe. Paired with this silver kolhapuri chappals and this DIY earring that I made in my last video. Check the link in the description to know how I made this. Extremely comfortable and pretty stylish. Now this looks a little functional. Pick your most flared long skirt and pair with kolhapuri chappals or jutis with Indian chand balis and a heavy dupatta. I have used the same chunri. With all this, you are set for Holi parties without being uncomfortable. This is my favorite look, my kind of look, extremely comfortable and perfect for those who don't like to get dressed a lot. Wear the most distressed jeans with gladiators and pick your favorite Indian chand balis and a bohemian necklace. This one is a DIY, check the link in the description box. You can rock your college or office Holi celebration and stay stylish at the same time.
Hey guys, these were all the outfits. Let me know which was your favorite and how you would wear them. Like and make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell to receive notification of upcoming kitchen makeover video and other awesome videos. I should take a leave now until we meet on another Tuesday. Happy Holi and Allah Hafiz.